We got some things covered up, anything that's showing direct wire and stuff. So at first we couldn't crank it with the key, like it would do nothing, and now this is what we got now. So we're cranking it now. Now we just got to see. I can smell the fuel, so it's looking like we're lacking spark. So now it's time to see what's going on with that, and then I'll give you an update once I get one. As far as the spark, we're getting no spark. So upon investigating further, where's that one? Where's the orange and the one I had? Oh, here. All right, so bam. This is the one, and it goes from our coil, the one that gives power to our distributor. But thing is, these guys fucking rats, they got me good. Cause let me see right there. If you look right there, there they are, the orange and the purple. I already took out the little nest that was right there, but the orange and purple, and they did not leave me enough to connect them back together. So now I have to take off this and see if I can make something happen with what's already there. If not, we're gonna need a new part. But see what's right now. I'm taking apart this. I'm gonna mark everything and then see what is it that we need, or if I can make it work still like that. Okay, the moment we have all been waiting for. We still got some vacuum hoses to figure out right now. As you can see, it's that one right there. But yeah, I was able to connect those two little wires, making it happen, made some magic happen. Go for it. Hit it, baby. Hit some gas. A ver si hit a little bit of gas.